Hello friends. So till this we have created a registration form and a login form. We confirmed whether it's getting logged in or not, and now we are going to see about forgot password option. So I have already created it, so I could rush through the tutorial because it's actually a repetition of the previous tutorials. So in the forgot password I have created a view render user forgot password, right? So this is the file which is going to be loaded on the view side. So this is a forgot password view. So here I have used the class form open, and I'm telling it to go to the action should be to reset password, right? So enter your email. So I'm just asking him to send his email, and then I'm just asking to give an error. So if you are typing it on side by side, so I'm just keeping it for some time. So just take a snapshot or whatever it may be, so it will be useful to understand what I have done over here, right? So if in any case if I come back to forgot password, I'll be set to ask enter your email address, right, and then reset password. So I just kept the register value only, right? So if I type something over here, what I'm saying is to go to reset password. So the user controller, I'm just creating another function called reset password, right? So function is reset password, and then I'm saying the email to validate, right? So because I have already returned this validation, I just copy it and paste it to my setup, so I don't want to type it again, right? So my username will not be there, so I'm just deleting the username, right? And my password will also not be there, just deleting this, right? So my validation should be email. Okay, I don't want the comma because got only one thing, so just delete this total, right? So it's required, and it should be an email and does exist in main users comma email, from the column email, right? It should exist, right? So if $validate underscore input, so I'm telling it to do something else redirect back, redirect back. Wonderful. So reset password, fine, well and good. So just click reset password, the email is required, right? So just want a break over there, sorry. So just go here and make a break here, right? Okay, so the email is required, so it's just coming down, it's supposed to be here, right? Fine. And if there is any other anonymous email, anonymous@gmail.com, right? So just say the email does not match with our records, so here itself you will get an answer, right? So if I just made it as iseedonline@gmail.com, it will set it up, right? So what do I say is, right, so in this case I'm I'm asking, I want to collect the username and password with respect to this email, right? So I'll just collect the username and password. So $get details equals user model reset password. It's asking it to get the value user model reset password, right? So either you can do like this or you can directly work it out, right? So database w is to db, w is to get, right? So app w is to just copy and paste it. So this is something I always prefer, so instead of typing it again, right? So just copy and paste it, and then god, sorry guys, totally tired today. So just copy and paste it, right? So things are easy to work it out. Just name this main, right? So what are the things you need is you need the username, comma, you need the code. So these two things you need actually, right? And table is users, so say the conditions will be where email equals, make it as a question mark, right? And then this data will be an array of $_post of email, right? Fine. So print underscore r $_get, sorry, $get underscore details. Fine. So let's see whether we are getting this code and this username, right? Yeah. So the name username is Smarty, and this is the code. If you just go here and check, this is the code 60BF9. Yeah, 60B9FP. So I preferably say you don't want to go back to the model again. So these things you can do it from here itself. Alright. So next is you need to send the email. So to send the email we use PHPMailer. We will be discussing it in the next video.